after a long break from recording, we are back with another model car, and this one is a 71 Hemi Cuda. Now, I've done a video on this car before, but it wasn't like this. This is the color shift hardtop that I did before, and I mentioned a lot of times in that video how I was unhappy with how it turned out, and so instead of doing another hardtop, I decided to do something a bit more iconic and legendary. And so I decided I would go about turning it into a convertible, one of 11, and this one is plum crazy, just like the one that is plum crazy. So I went about stripping all the old paint off and redoing it. The hubcaps don't quite match up to what they should be. The bumper fits a bit too loosely, but I absolutely love how this car turned out. The interior came out a lot nicer this time around. A bit more detail up there on the gauge, as you can see. Oh, that ain't focusing right. There you go. And, oh, still isn't focused. But a whole lot more detail all around in there. I actually got the can of Plum Crazy because my friend called me, "Hey, you want a can of Plum Crazy?" Yeah, I'll take it. I had some Mopars that needed painted, and this was one of them. The engine bay is as accurate as I could make with the parts that I had, which was not very time consuming actually. Underneath it still looks more or less the same, just a little bit of neatening up, and the engine's obviously the different color now, but I took some more time to do more detail out here. Notable, you'll note here, up front I decided to do the grille right. It's actually missing two of the lights, they are lost, but that really finishes up the car. There's not too much to say about it. I quite like how it turned out this time, and I hope you do the same. I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be another Gasser Corvette.